Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check TikTok chat history. So let's just simply open up the TikTok application here. And first of all, you have to tap on this inbox in the bottom right. It will show you all of your conversations. You can tap on any of these different ones and just see the conversation that you have had and the messages you can swipe up or down. Just scroll through them. However, let's say you don't find it in there, maybe you deleted it and need to recover. You can do that by tapping on Profile at the bottom right and then tap on the three bars in the top right corner. From here, let's choose Settings and Privacy here, and then at the very top is Account. Let's tap on it. You can see this option, Download Your Data. Tap on it and this will allow you to download all of your data including your messages, your message history. So just hit Request Data here and it will switch you over to the download data. You can see it's really fast. To be able to do that, you just tap on this download button and it will download into your mobile. So when it's download, you can easily see your chat history as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.